Hello everyone, this is Nate with Laterpress, and in this video I am going to show you how to set up collections. So I am in a demo account here which has a whole lot of nothing, so we have a nice blank slate to play with. And here you're going to see add book or add a collection. We're going to hit add a collection. And now you can give a banner to the entire collection to give it its own special look. Give it a title, and then enter a title of the collection. Remember that you cannot change the URL once you save it, so do put a little thought into what that should be before you set it up. And then you have a short 350 character description that you can put in here to describe it. So I'm going to pause the video for a minute to fill out some of this information, and then we can continue. Okay, so as you can see here, I have the basics set up. I have a temporary banner. I don't know that we'll keep this, but remember the recommended dimensions are 1600 wide by 400 vertical. I have the Laterpress collection for content, for the name, Laterpress content as the URL, everything Laterpress all within our reading platform as a short description. So now click create for the collection. And now for books, you'll see here the Laterpress collection, and it has 0 books. So we're going to click this. And now within this collection, this is where your books would live. So we're going to go through add book. And this is going to be the same process as I covered previously, or Scott did in our other video. Regarding how to set up a book. You'll see here, select the collection this book gets added to the Laterpress collection. Now that we have an existing collection, save and continue, and from here you would go through the process of setting up a book as you have done before. Also note that because this is part of a collection, the URL is already set up for you here. Okay, so with everything filled out in this form, I am now going to hit save and continue. And here we are not monetizing anything on this account. I'm just going to set a preview of 100 chapters because we're not charging anything for this. And add the book. And now from the books screen, again, the Laterpress collection here, you'll see one book. I can go view. And everything Laterpress. Okay, that's the basic collection. We haven't actually added any content to this. So I'm going to close this, go back to edit. And now from here, you can see books, Laterpress user manual. This is number 1 in the series. We want to add another book. We can go here and add another book to the Laterpress collection. We'll save and continue. Again, the URL remains the same. So the process would entirely be the same here. I'm not going to worry about the URL because that is already determined. So we can just put in, I'm just going to put in some complete placeholder assets for this video. Okay, so as you can see, I've got things filled in here. I'm just using the same cover again for the moment. I've got a title in here. I have a short description. And we're going to save and continue. Again, I'm going to make the preview 100 chapters. And now Laterpress collection has 2 books. And you'll see here Laterpress user manual, number 1. Mind-blowing stuff is number 2. If I want to change the order and have mind-blowing stuff be number 1 in the series, it's just a simple drag and drop to swap these around. And now for Laterpress user manual, if I want to add in content, I just go edit here. And from here, it's editing chapters. It's the same process as previously described in our setting up a book video. So I hope this helps you with the process of setting up a collection.